Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 27. Know me among horses as Uchai Shravas, born of Amrita, among lordly elephants the Airavat, and among men the king.
Chapter 10, Shloka 27. Uchchai Shravasam Ashvanam Viddimam Amrudodbhavam Airavatam Gajendranam Naranancha Naradipam.
Chapter 10, Shloka 27. Feeling that he has not delivered the goods yet, the Lord continues. Lord first touches upon Vedic references, then to those with references in the Vedas and Puranas, and later purely Puranic references. Story. There is a famous Puranic story of the churning of the milky ocean by both the gods and the demons to bring nectar out of it. From the churning, many things were brought out, which were collected and distributed among the deserving. The churning continues till everybody receives what they wanted. Symbolism. Man is struggling to discover the self through churning the mixture of the good and bad vasanas in order to purify himself. In the process, new powers show up called the siddhis and riddhis, and if he is not attached to or attracted by these powers but puts consistent effort, he can ultimately come to the peace in him. Out of the 13 tempting objects which came out, Uchai Shravas, the mighty and powerful winged horse, and Airavata, the white elephant, were presented to Indira, the king of the gods. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.